Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pasta at home. First, select a large pot, ideally 6 quarts or more, to ensure your pasta has ample space to cook evenly. Next, season your water generously. A good rule of thumb is 1 tablespoon of salt for every gallon of water. This step is crucial for flavoring the pasta from the inside out. Finally, bring that salted water to a vigorous, rolling boil before you even think about adding your pasta. This ensures proper cooking from the start. Once your water is boiling, carefully add your pasta. It's important to stir it right away and then frequently for the first minute or two to prevent the strands or shapes from sticking together. Keep the water at a strong, rolling boil throughout the entire cooking time. A common misconception is adding oil to the water. Please avoid this, as it creates a slick surface on the pasta, making it difficult for your delicious sauce to cling properly. Now, let's talk about cooking time. Always refer to the package instructions for a general guideline, but remember, these are just suggestions. The real test is tasting. Start checking your pasta 1 or 2 minutes before the recommended time. You're aiming for al dente, which means it should be firm to the bite, offering a slight resistance, but never hard or mushy. This perfect texture is key to a truly enjoyable pasta dish. Before you drain your pasta, remember this crucial step. Reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid is a secret weapon for emulsifying your sauce later. Then, drain your pasta quickly using a colander, but resist the urge to rinse it with cold water, as this washes away the starches needed for sauce adhesion. Finally, immediately toss your hot pasta with your prepared sauce for the best possible flavor and texture combination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.